Gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream.
Hi my lovely Frosty Fam, it's me, Karen Frost, here at Nail Decadence with just a very quick update video on the Modelones lipstick collection kit and how it wore on these nails of mine. So let's get into it. Okay, what do I think? These are really lovely polishes. They are, as I mentioned in the review video, they are thinner viscosity wise than other gel polishes that I've personally used, so they are less likely to bulk out the nails, which was actually quite nice. It takes a little bit of getting used to, because if you're not careful and you have too much product on your brush, it can slip into the cuticle area and the sidewalls a little bit easier than the thicker viscosity ones, so do bear that in mind. But it's not impossible to work with them by any means. It's just I'm being nitpicky, because I'd have to be nitpicky if I'm going to give you a full review on exactly how I feel, and I will always keep it real and give you the tea on everything. So we will look at all of the angles, as it were. So thinner viscosity, although they apply very nicely. Top coat wise, I do have some scratches and dings here. I always get that from when I'm doing other nails, so I can't complain about that, because that will always happen, because I do other nails on Handolly and I always end up catching my own nails in the process. However, on nails that are less likely to get caught with the nail file, there are some scratches. So top coat wise, I wouldn't say this was a particularly hard wearing top coat. Compared to the SBD London tempering top coat, which I absolutely love, the tempering top coat is harder wearing, but that is tempering, which means it's scratch resistant and it has that kind of added protection in it, whereas the top coat in this set is just a standard top coat, so you can't expect it to perform the same as a tempering top coat would. So yeah, it is a bit more prone to scratches than the SBD London one. However, it still stayed shiny. I mean, you can see the shine on them. It stayed shiny, and even when I used like a Brillo pad to do the washing up and stuff, it's scratched, but it's not too bad. But if you look at, say, the little finger, which is not a nail that gets a lot of action, it's still shiny. Can you see that? If I can get the camera to focus. No, it doesn't want to focus. There we go. So you can see it's still got a good shine on it. Chip wise, we have very minimal chipping just on the very edges. Nothing to write home about. It's not chipped off the top at all. And what I was really impressed with is how the stickers held up. Come on, focus camera. Right, so the stickers, you know, I encapsulated the stickers with a layer of the base coat and then a layer of the top coat over the top, and as you can see, they have not peeled at the edges at all. No peeling of those stickers, which I am very, very impressed with, because if the top and base coat aren't thick enough or hard wearing enough, it would have worn off at the edges and the stickers would have peeled up, especially the ones with the stripe right down them, and that hasn't occurred. Partly that's due to me cutting it a little bit away from the free edge, but the top coat and the base coat do play a role in keeping those stickers in place without them peeling off. So that's definitely a thumbs up. Like I said, application wise, it's nice to apply, it just takes a little bit of getting used to. For me, if you're used to ones that are, or gel polishes that are of thinner viscosity, then you won't have any problems with these because you'll be used to it. But if you're used to the thicker viscosity ones like the SBD London or the Madam Glam, which are thicker, then it will take just a little adjustment to get used to how these apply. But I mean, I'm in love with the colors. The color selection is beautiful. I love how this color combo came out. I think for the home user, these are absolutely perfect. You can't ask for more from a brand that is, well, it's cheap. There's no other way to say it. Compared to other brands, it is cheap. However, the quality is not so decompensated for. So even though it's cheap, it doesn't mean that the products are bad, cheap products, if that makes sense. So it's more like, it's aimed to the home user is what I'm trying to say, and the price range is aimed at the home user, whereas obviously professional products have a higher price point because they're professional products and they're made a different way to the home user products, if that makes sense. So for the home user, absolutely. I mean, like I said in my review video, if these were available when I was first starting out, I would have been absolutely over the moon with them. They are brilliant for the home user. I can't knock them for that, and I will most definitely be using these again. I have them all packed up in the little bag ready to go. I've got a weekend away coming up, and these will be coming with me because I need to do my toes again. So I'm hoping I can do that whilst I'm on my weekend away. And yeah, I love them. I love them. I can't say they're bad. They're not. They are very, very good. And for the price point, like I said, you can't go wrong. You really can't. So do I recommend them? Are they Frosty approved? Yes. Woo! Fireworks. Woo! They are Frosty approved. Model ones, you are Frosty approved. There we go. So that is all I've got for this video, my lovelies. You take care now, and I will speak to you all again very, very soon. Bye for now.
Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah.